And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest figurized standard for the Kamen Rider series to be released. We have Mask Rider Blade. Yes, one of the first riders of the first half of the Heisei area. So yep, we have your Mask Rider Blade. So let's take a look at the box art. So I think, yeah, this is one scene we're in. If you see here, Blade holding the card, he's about to seal an undead. Yep, and off to the side, we see here Kamen Rider Blade, front and back. Various gimmicks that you can do, and they do include these effect parts. Yep, we have the tiny cards here. All cards related to Blade that he uses. And we can replicate these actions, and of course the turn up as well. Off to the other side, we have information on Blade, the cards, the show, and of course the kit itself. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Okay, so firstly we are greeted with one bag, all silver parts. Yep, most of the suit of Blade is silver, so we have that one. Second bag contains 2 sprues, 1 gold, and 1 dark blue or navy blue. Yeah, it's a shade of blue. The third bag contains 1 massive sticker, a multicolored sprue, and 1 oil blue or a single color. Okay, so this is kind of disappointing because the cards here are all foil stickers, but yeah, no problems there. I think we can apply it, no problems, but I might just only use the sticker cards and the others will be painted. Fourth bag, yep, more of the blue color, the dark blue or dark navy blue color of Blade. Last one we have here, yep, we have here the standard stand, the effect part wherein he drives the sword to the ground after scanning 3 cards, and we have here the cards itself, which is actually made up of PET plastic, same plastic we use for bottles. And lastly, we have here is the instruction manual. Yep, same glorious cover as the box art. And off to the back, we see here different gimmicks that you can do with Blade. So let's take a look inside, or one by one, at the sprues. So first off, we have the A sprue here, which is a multicolored sprue. We have red here, clear red, dark blue, navy blue. It's a shade of blue for Blade, and some clear parts here. So yeah, I think these are parts for the chest, the belt, the waist, legs and feet, torso, parts for the head. Yeah, this is actually definitely for the head here, and this is, yeah, these parts here will be for the sword. So that's the A sprue. We also have another sprue of the same blue color of Blade, which is the B2 here. So more, I think they say part of the joints, but B2 here is actually, there are 2 B2s. Yep, so there are 2 B2s, and then we have a C1, which again compromises of Blade's main color. And coming with the C1, there is a small C2. Where is it? Yeah, here. Wherein a portion of C1 is duplicated for the C2. Okay. And then we have the D. The D, of course, is all silver parts for the silver parts of Blade's costume. Yep, so that's the D. We also have an E1, which is all gold. So I think this is for the trimmings of the shoulder, the cuffs, yeah, part of his helmet. Oh, yeah, this is for the belt and for the sword. And the E2, which is actually the effect part. And yep, we have the standard stand, same stand that has been supplied for all figurized standard figures. And then yep, as shown earlier, the sticker sheet that will be used for blade. So yeah, this is big because all of this will go to that one single part, and on blade sword, you know, when he rotates or gets all the cards, so all of these decals will be there. And yep, I would want to show you the let me just try to, yeah, there we go. Yeah, and these are the cards for blade, all of blade's rose cards actually. So it is made of a PET plastic. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the figurized standard Masked Rider blade. So again, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing new videos. And then this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you and thank you.